Hello everyone, welcome to my DevOps journey. Today I learn about Linux permissions and ownerships, which help to control who can access, modify and execute files and folders. In Linux, every file and directory has owner and a group. Permissions are divided into three categories: user, the owner of the file; group, user is the same group; others, everyone else. There are three types of permissions: R for read, X for execute, W for write. I learned commands like ls -l to view permission, chmod to give change permission, chown to change ownership. For example, chmod 755 files.sh gives different permission to the owners and others. Suppose I give the permission of file name abc.sh, in which I give the permission of chmod file name. That's to give the ownerships and others. At first, the permission symbols looked confusing, but after practicing, I understood how Linux secures files and directories. Permissions and ownerships are important to system security. They prevent unauthorized users from accessing sensitive files. That is why I learned today Linux permissions and ownership. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next video.